This product is trending on Amazon US right now, but popularity doesn't always mean it's worth buying. Did you know this cooler claims to keep ice for up to 5 days? That's a bold claim, and we need to see if it holds up. So, what exactly is the Coleman Xtreme Rolling Cooler? This is a large, portable cooler designed for extended trips, tailgating, camping, or even just a long day at the beach. Coleman is a well-known brand in outdoor gear, and this model specifically addresses the need for easy transport with its built-in wheels and telescoping handle. It promises to keep your food and drinks cold for days, saving you money on ice and hassle. Let's dive into the key features. First, the extra-walled insulation. This is the core of the "keeps ice up to 5 days" claim. Thicker walls and better insulation material mean less heat transfer from the outside, so your ice stays frozen longer. Second, the rolling capability. This is a game changer for larger coolers. Instead of lugging a heavy box, you can simply roll it, making it much more manageable, especially over rough terrain or long distances. Third, the durable construction. Coleman coolers are generally built tough, and the Xtreme line is no exception. It can handle being loaded into trucks, dragged around campsites, and generally take a beating. Fourth, the capacity. These coolers often come in substantial sizes, like 70 quarts, meaning you can pack enough for a multi-day event or a large group. Finally, the leak-resistant drain. This feature makes emptying melted ice and water much easier and cleaner, preventing water from pooling inside and potentially damaging your food. Who is this cooler perfect for? It's ideal for serious campers and RVers who need reliable cold storage for multiple days without constant ice replenishment. It's also fantastic for tailgaters and sports fans who attend events where ice access is limited and they need to keep beverages and food chilled all day long. Finally, large families or groups heading to the beach or on longer road trips will appreciate the capacity and ease of transport. Now for the honest downsides. While it claims 5 days of ice retention, that's under ideal conditions and often with a full cooler of pre-chilled contents. Real-world use, especially in extreme heat or with frequent opening, will likely result in less. Also, being a larger, hard-sided cooler, it can be quite bulky and heavy even when empty, which might be overkill for short day trips or if you have limited storage space. So, the final verdict: buy. If you need a cooler that can genuinely keep ice for several days, offers great portability with its wheels, and is built to last for years of outdoor adventures, the Coleman Xtreme Rolling Cooler is a solid choice on Amazon. It delivers on its core promises for its intended use case.